Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking on how to check your nabteb results. Nabteb is one of the exam bodies that organize exams in Nigeria. We have NECO, we have WAEC, we have nabteb. So it's either that you search for the normal nabteb exams, that is May, June school, or the GCE, that is November, December. So either or both, you're supposed to get a scratch card result checker. So once you get that, you come to this web address, https://eword.nabtebnigeria.org. you see the way it is written, or simply type in inside your address bar. This is called address bar in website. When you open your Mozilla or Chrome or any of the browsers that you're using, this is the address bar. Type in the web address. This is the web address for nabteb result checking, eword.nabtebnigeria.org. So once you type in that, you just type in your candidate number. If you check the photo card that you use in writing your NECO, you're going to see your candidate number. Type it in here. Then here you're going to pick when you wrote the exam. Is it May, June, or November, December? Like I told you, May, June is normal school. November, December is the GCE of nabteb. So pick any of those options. Then put in the year you wrote the exam. Is it 2010, 2003, 2018? Then when you check the scratch card or your photo card, you're going to see the card serial number and pin. So it's either you bought a scratch card result checker, which you will scratch, you see the serial number and the pin. You put the serial number here and put the pin, or you're using your photo card, because most of the photo cards now come along with card serial number and pin. So if you also check that, put the card serial number here and put the pin here and click on submit, you're going to see your result come out. So that's how to go about it. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button by this corner of the video. Like and share this video. If you have any question concerning this or anything concerning your exam, how to check your WAEC, NECO, or any of those results, please drop your question in the comment section of this video. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.